This is a step-by-step tutorial of Petit Bizoo's favorite 3D art kits, starting with the gumball machine. In this kit, you will receive a postcard with step-by-step instructions on how to assemble your gumball machine. In our bag, you will receive a sheet of aluminum foil, a handful of pom-poms, a plastic ornament, a plastic condiment cup, and a piece of ribbon. To begin, lay flat your sheet of aluminum foil and place the condiment cup in the middle, open side up. Tightly press the aluminum foil to wrap your cup, tucking in the excess into the open side of the cup. This will be the base of your gumball machine. Next, take your ornament, detach the top, and begin to fill it with the pom-poms, leaving one out to attach to the base at the end. Secure the top of your ornament back on and set aside. Using either hot glue or Elmer's glue, attach the ornament to the aluminum wrapped condiment cup. Allow this to fully dry before picking up or moving around. Once the ornament is securely attached to the base and the glue has fully dried, string your ribbon through the hoop on the top of the ornament. Tie into a knot at the top for easy hanging. Finally, attach the one extra pom-pom to the base as if the gumball was coming through the dispenser. Allow this to fully dry, and now your gumball machine is complete. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram for more creative art ideas.